The decision to go to war in Iraq and to remove Saddam Hussein from power in a coalition of over 40 countries led by the United States of America was the hardest, most momentous, most agonizing decision I took in my 10 years as British Prime Minister. For that decision today, I accept full responsibility, without exception and without excuse. I recognize the division felt by many in our country over the war, and in particular, I feel deeply and sincerely, in a way that no words can properly convey, the grief and suffering of those who lost ones they loved in Iraq, whether members of our armed forces, the armed forces of other nations, or Iraqis. The intelligence assessments made at the time of going to war turned out to be wrong. The aftermath turned out to be more hostile, protracted, and bloody than ever we imagined. The coalition planned for one set of ground facts and encountered another, and a nation whose people we wanted to set free and secure from the evil of Saddam became instead victim to sectarian. For all of this, I express more sorrow, regret, and apology than you may ever know or can believe.
Chiaka Igbo Shoto now South Africa. The Chiakas from Southern Øuwarre now Nigeria, Africa. The center block regarding the world music represent Okanem, Orata, and music gave birth to Amapiano. Ama means knowledge to the ancient Igbos. Pia means to press. And nu means to hear and understand. Amapianu. These three words is visible everywhere. The Igbo word Amapiano had been made permanent upon the earth before the modern era.